guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I decided to go with a faux freckled look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So I'm just going to go with a simple look today because I want to focus more on the faux freckles rather than the eye look. So we're actually going to start with the face first. So first I'm going to prime my face, and to do that I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So next I'm moving on to foundation, and I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 118 Light Beige. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. I'm going to be using some concealer to bronze up the face as well. And to do that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan. I'm just blending out the edges with the side that I applied the foundation with. And to set the under eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10, which is Fair Light. So next I'm moving on to brows, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Medium Brown. Next, we're adding a wing liner, and to do that, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner Eyeliner. So next, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Cosmetics Big Eagle Mascara. I'm going to do this eye off of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have finished this eye. Next, I actually want to move on to lashes, so we're sticking with the eyes just for a little bit longer. The brand I'm going to be using today is Vivid Lashes. This is a Toronto-based brand. I received 3 lashes in the mail a few days ago, and the styles I received are Ruby, Diamond, and Jade. So these are the 3 styles. So since my eye look is a little bit more simple today, I think I'm going to go with the style Jade. So let me give you some information about the brand. The lashes are reusable mink lashes. If you take care of them, they can be used up to 25 times. They're supposed to be lightweight, great quality. The prices are, so for Diamond, these are $30 a pair. For Jade, $25. And for Ruby, also $25. So I'm gonna just try on Jade and let you know what I think about the lashes. I mean, right off the bat, I think the packaging is absolutely stunning. I freaking love this packaging. I love the glitter. I love that it's in the shape of a diamond. It's freaking cute. She also sent some dual lash glue, which is awesome. So the lashes are a bit on the pricier side of lashes, and that's because they are mink lashes. Mink lashes look more natural, better quality. I have spent like $30 on lashes before, so that's not surprising, especially if they are good quality. Then they're worth it if they're gonna last you a long time. So I'll let you know what I think about this style. So right off the bat, they are very soft. I like it. So there's actually a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning, so I really hope I get this video done before my power goes out, because that's going to be a given. Damn. Okay. So first of all, these are really freaking pretty. They feel so soft. They look so natural. And the curl on these, oh my god, these are beautiful. damn. Honestly, they are very lightweight. They don't feel heavy on my eyes. Honestly, I love these lashes. Oh my god. Okay, A+. These lashes are great. I'm gonna put the Instagram name somewhere on the screen for you. Make sure you guys go check out her Instagram page and go pick up a few lashes, because honestly, these are stunning. Like, oh my god, beautiful. Beautiful. It has started to pour, so if you can hear the rain hitting my window, I'm sorry, I'm on the top floor. I'm gonna try to move along because honestly I do not want my power to go out. Next we're moving on to bronzer, and to bronze my face I'm gonna be using the Tarte Cosmetics Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Princess Cut. And to contour I'm gonna go into the shade Angle. Next, we're moving on to blush. I'm going to be taking the Steve Laurent blush in the shade I'm Blushing. Next, I'm going to be taking some highlight, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Killawat highlighter in Trophy Wife. So we're just going to be moving on to lips. I'm going to be taking the Bodyography lip pencil in Rosewood. And for the lipstick, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Plush Matte Lipstick in Shawty. I am absolutely terrified to do this. The last time I did this, it did not turn out well. This is actually my second time recording this video, so I'm trying out a different method for the freckles. I am actually like super worried. Oh, I hope it turns out good. I want to give myself some different sized freckles. I'm going to wet them first with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray, and then I am going to dip the brushes into the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. Next, we're just going to set the face. I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Alright guys, this completes my faux freckle makeup look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Ooh, Maybelline Instant... So next we're going to move on to the brows, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner eyeliner. I will